and this is my channel. I hope you guys are all having a great start of the week. Today actually is Wednesday, so it's hump day. And I'm so excited because I'm opening a box that I haven't opened in quite some time. It's my Fab Fit Fun. It has been on travels. It went to Washington, then it got lost there, so I called and they sent me a new box and I got it like a week or so ago, so I'm finally getting around to opening it. It is a quarterly box, and I know practically everybody has opened their boxes, so I'm probably the last one to open it. I don't even know what's in here. I didn't select anything. You get choices, and I didn't even pick out my choices. So I actually filmed it yesterday, but or Monday, but it was garbage day. So I had the door open, there were garbage trucks going by, I could hear the dryer. It was just a hot mess video. So I am going to try it again. So let's get into it. Oh, on the cover is beautiful Marie Shriver, and the booklet tells you everything that is in the box and all the choices that you could have gotten that I didn't get, but that's okay. So the first thing that I took out of the box is the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Condition and Restore, Revitalize, and this is a cream, goat milk cream, and it comes in a box like this. And Kate Somerville, before beauty boxes came out, and I even think before the internet, was on like QVC or Home Shopping, and loved her products. And you know, you can order them on 5 Easy Pays or whatever. It took like weeks to get, but her products are great. So it's nice that you can get them in one of these boxes because you don't have to pay that price. The quarterly box, I think it's $49.95. You can get the seasonal box if you pay for it up front all year. Then you get extra goodies and you get to pick before everybody else. It doesn't really have a strong smell, but it's got a great consistency to it. So I was excited that I got this in my box, and it's got a little smiley face. And there's just pages and pages of product. So the this retails for $65, and it gives you a healthy glow. And then the next thing is the original makeup eraser. I'm not going to take it out. I have a couple already open. I must say though, I wash these in like my the little garment bags you put your bras and special things in, and they really wash well. So that's why I've been able to get some use out of them. So I'm really not gonna need to open this one yet, but they are really nice. And let's see if I can find the retail price on this. And this retails for $20. So I guess they are kind of pricey. The next thing, and I'm getting these little white things, my little trail of everything all over, is the Ahava Natural Dead Sea Bath Salts. I don't take a lot of baths. I do try to take them. Getting a glare here, but it is a nice size bag. It is 11 ounces. And, you know, sea salts are good for ya. And see if I can find the price on these, but Ahava is a great brand. I have their hand lotion, their body lotion. I think I have a mud mask from them. So they this bag retails for $16. The next thing, and it's taped up really nice, is the Yoga. It's got some extra God, the glare in here is terrible today, is Calm & Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. So this is always needed in my 500 items in my shower. So I will get use out of that. And let's see. And this retails for $39.95. Guess I'll have to use that sparingly. And the next thing, and I was really happy that I received this. This is the Bluetooth shower speaker. And I really wanted to use it, but since I didn't re-unbox my box, I couldn't. I use my phone in the bathroom so I can listen to my rock and roll. And of course I have to blast it because I can't hear it above the shower. And so look at how pretty that is. And you just stick this like right on the shower. I don't know how many times it's gonna fall, but it just hooks up to your phone and it's got the little charger in here. So I am so excited. To me, the box was worth just getting this. And that retails for $30. So it wasn't the most expensive thing in the box, but it was my favorite thing in the box. Then we got Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. And I love my hair products, so we'll give this a try. If you noticed, I'm kind of red. I am trying to find a new hairdresser. I think I found one, but in the meantime, my hair was just, it was just icky color. So I bought like some $8 hair color at the drugstore, and it came out red, but you know, these drugstore colors wash out really quick. So I figured in a couple more weeks, it'll be, I don't know what color. So it is kind of red for me, but I did shop around and hopefully found a good hairdresser. So in probably about another 3 weeks or so, I'll be ready to get it colored again. So I'm hoping, keeping my fingers crossed, I can get back to the color that I want. So I will try this, and let's see, this is the Pep Rally, can't find it, probably on the last page. Here it is, number 7. It retails for $23, and hair products are just getting through the roof anyway. And then we have the Soft Focus Glow Drops, and the bottle is super nice. And let's find out what these do. I can't remember. Glow On. These drops are formulated to brighten the complexion and provide a radiant priming base for makeup application. So I don't know if you can use it as a primer. You can put it in, I know a lot of these you can mix in with your foundation. So I will read up more on these. It says it's a glow primer, so it's probably in place of your primer. And then the last thing, and the first time I opened this, I was cracking up. This is a cute little cross-body handbag. It's got the strap in there, and it's by Voré. It's got a little zipper compartment. You can put your money in there. It will probably barely fit my phone, but when I opened it, let's see if I save the card. There was a card in here. Oh, here it is. And it's showing like these pictures, these big pictures. I thought, maybe it just opens up to like a big gym bag, and how cute would that be? But I couldn't find any way to open it up. So they don't show a picture of this size, but they do show backpacks and different things. So I'm thinking this is just an option that you can get. But I'm like, how do you open up this to get bigger? But I don't think you do. And the price of this crossbody bag was $17.99, and it's weather resistant. So to me, this is just an okay box. My favorite thing again was the speaker. They have all sorts of things you could have got. You could have got hat and gloves and some a candle, slippers, a couch blanket. There was a bracelet, some eyeshadows, a journal. So there were other options, and I guess it's my bad that it was lost in the mail. But again, it's $50. The value of the products does push it over $50, but it wasn't one of my favorite boxes I've received from them. But I did order the editor's box because I have seen people unbox that, and it had some great products in there. So I will be posting that one soon because they came at the same time. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great rest of your week, and as always, you guys have an awesome day.